welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Maxine. Now, Maxine is talking about an issue, and this issue was when, Bella was being played allegedly on the other platform, which is Lorraine's platform, on his shirt. And, allegedly she brought her shirt or her picture to the graveyard. No, Maxine is saying that she's still hurt about this and that nobody is talking about Bella. And she's saying that, everybody's talking about everything else, but they're forgetting the fact that Bella was placed in a situation as a little girl, in that situation, and her picture being brought to a graveyard. So basically, Maxine is still hurt. She's expressing herself. She's letting everyone know that, listen, man, I am hurt and I feel hurt about the situation. And she's explaining, why she's hurt. So go ahead and catch the video. And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, lovelies, have yourselves a wonderful day.
I'm still hurt. And I'm not hearing nobody talk about Bella's situation. And Bella's situation happened like 4 different ways. The last step was on Cartoon's birthday. Lorraine get a picture and a t-shirt of Bella with a skeleton and bring it to the graveyard, to the cemetery. That was the last on Cartoon's birthday. All you can't hear the people them in the social media, they say, oh, Lorraine care people picnic at graveyard. Oh, Bella, you not hear. Her name is Princess Bella. Her name is Bella. Yes, Bella is the one who she brings there in the graveyard for Cartoon's birthday. Nobody ain't talking about it. And then you expect me not to feel some kind of way? It all happened when the whole of them over there. How are the whole of them went over there? Cartoon, Charmian, Ranger, all of them. And all of them take part in there. All of them take part in there. Is my grandchild no better than anybody else's kids on social media? You all see that what they said I said was a damn lie. Cartoon can't tell you say it's a lie. Cartoon can't come out and tell Lorraine carry Maxine got court because we know the truth. Carry Maxine got court because we know the truth. She can't. It was a damn lie. But yet for all I don't hear nobody mentioning Bella's name. One somebody me here on one platform yesterday mentioned Bella's name. One. And I don't hear the platform holder said nothing. The platform holder have mouth in everything. And one somebody I hear call that platform and say what happened to how she did Maxine's grandchild. What happened to how she did Bella? And the same people them, Landlord, 13, Ashanti, and everybody come out pan Cartoon video, and they can say this and they can say that. They were the same one who said, "To hear what Bella they take man." Oh yes, all of them. Each and every one of them that come out the big defender and they talk. They are the very same one who said Bella they take man, Bella ugly, Bella this, Bella that. And them same one, the same drunk with them know what they defend. The so-called defenders them. But you can't come over here and tell me say me can't play this or me can't play that. Me no want Cartoon fit up. Me no want she stop. This is the, oh God. Me no want she stop. I don't. You feed the people them and at them same one come round. Come by you. You reap everything where you sow. Lorraine, you reap everything where you sow. You reap everything where you sow. You not see nothing yet. You not see nothing yet. You come up and talk about American government go protect you. They ain't gonna protect you, Lorraine. You are a domestic terrorist, and I'm gonna show them how you are a domestic terrorist. That's what you are. You run away from your country as a refugee on a one-day visa and go to America. You come America and you think so you can beat and grind yourself through. American government gonna protect you? No, they're not. What happened to the little kids them that's born in America that cannot protect themselves? They're gonna protect them from you, Lorraine, because you are wicked. You are wicked. And everybody knows if me may have money, your backside would they would lift up the prison and put it on you and Ashanti and the whole of uno. Then I lift up the prison and put uno under there. Because everyone on come out and do the same thing that Lorraine said and do. So if uno know they do like uno a defender, uno go away because nobody no want to no defend nothing or defend nobody's kids. Uno go away or all uno corner. Because uno was no better. So not because me come out here and they play the video. The true video that is supposed to be circulating. That is supposed to be circulating. You know, have the wrong one that circulate and they tell lie. So no that me they play that. No, me they pick up for people. I'm not picking up for nobody. I'm not picking up for nobody because I got my fair share of disrespect in social media. A fair share. Oh. Who not do it in a public, do it in a quiet. Me have something else I'm going to talk about. And it slipped my mind. We shouldn't talk about it first. But that with the kids I'm not talking about. I'm not saying nothing. I don't want nobody to ask me nothing about it either. There was something else that I have to do. Something else. Anytime I remember it, make sure they come back. Make sure they come back when me remember it. Actually, I don't remember it right now. The American government. You have mad love for me, Ines? See how you beat me bad so much of the time. You beat me bad some of the time, you know, but me not pay you no mind. Why you have mad love for me? Why? Tell me why. Tell the whole world why you have mad love for me. Oh. As me remember something. You see enough of uno. You see enough of uno Jezebel were out there. Enough of uno Jezebel were out there. Me not look no friend for enough of uno. And me no uno go come round. Me not looking no friend for enough of uno. You just love me. Me I'll read out something for you. Me I'll read something for you. What somebody. Let me see which one of the phone it on first. Because you know I have two different. I have more than two different WhatsApp. More than two numbers. This must be the first one. Me all show you how wicked. Yes, Rebecca, that's true. I mean, you know why me know for Inez's name? Inez always. She no make fun for come out and come tell me things. She no make fun. And at the end of the day, it's all love. Yeah. Inez, me not have nothing against nobody in a social media. All when they do me wrong. All when they do me and me pick me and so wrong. But it's just that some, it's very hard to swallow. Some is very hard to swallow. I mean, hear everybody they talk about everything, but they not talk about what they did to Bella. They're not talking about what they did to Bella. And these are the people who come out, they take up for people. And them are the same one put dick in a Bella mouth and in under the Bella. Them same one. I mean, don't hear nobody they talk about it. Yesterday, of all everybody who they go along and they talk about